All right, so in this video, we're gonna create our UberEats account because we're gonna be using all three applications when delivering food. So we need to set up an account for each one. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how to create your UberEats account and what you're gonna need and all the paperwork and everything. But before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That would really help me a lot to grow the channel. And if you guys love the videos that I do, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about my content. And then, yeah, let's dive right in. So what you want to do is to basically go. So you want to go to the App Store. And then you're going to tap, you're going to write Uber driver. Okay, that's what you're going to need. So once you do that, you're going to click on Uber driver right here. And then you're going to click download and you're going to download the app. Once you download the app, it's going to look something like this, and you're going to get to this page. Now, at this point, you need an email and a phone number to register for UberEats. So you're going to have to put in an email. So I'm going to put in an email right here, just like that. You click continue. So they're going to send a code to your email for you to verify. So I'm going to go and verify what the code is, 6827. Now, at this point, you're going to want to input your phone number. So yeah, you're going to go ahead and do that. So once you have input your phone number, it's going to send you a verification code to your phone number. You put in the code. Once you do that, then you get to the password page where you're going to have to create your password. Then you choose a password that you're going to put in. Doesn't really matter, whatever you want here at this point. We're just going to create one. Just say next. You're going to put in your name. You're going to want to put in like your actual name, because once you put in your name, you're going to have to upload like verification documents. So your name has to match what's on the name. So don't put any random name here. Put out your actual and your last name. All right. So you're going to do that. So my name here is Ali, and then you put in the last name. So you're gonna accept the terms, click next. All right, so once you get here, so I'm just gonna ask you where you would like to earn. So this is where you put in the city that you're working in. I'm located in Vancouver, Canada. So I'm gonna put in that, click next. And so at this point, it's gonna ask you what kind of delivery you wanna do, because obviously you can deliver food. You can ride share. You can basically do rides, offer rides to people, and then you can also do bike. You can also deliver food through a bike, or you can basically walk. Right now, this is something I get a lot. Is that should I do this with a car, with a bike, with a should I walk? It's really up to you. Honestly, I would start with whichever. Whichever. If you have a car, start with a car. If you have a bike, start with a bike. If you don't have either, then start walking. Right. So, but ideally, you do want to deliver through a car, because that's the best way to optimize your time. Since you're going to be doing DoorDash and skip the dishes as well, it's going to be really hard to just like walk and bike around. And then, so I would highly suggest, if you have access to a car, to do deliveries through a car. But again, you can totally do that through a bike or even walking. So yeah, you're going to select whichever one applies to you. So in my case, I'm going to do rides and delivery with car, or you can also do delivery with car, depending on if you want to do both, right? Since I'm only interested in delivery, so this is what applies to me, delivery with car. Click continue. And then you're gonna put in the mark of your vehicle. So again, whichever is your vehicle here, that's what you're gonna put in. All right, so once you put in your car information, you're gonna get to that screen where this is where you're basically gonna upload your documents. All right, so you're gonna need a proof of work eligibility. So that's gonna ask you for either your passport or driving license. So anything that proves that you're a resident. And then, so once you do that, here you click on that. See, it prompts you to basically upload a photo of your passport. So you can either do that with your phone, which what I highly recommend. So put that on a table on a flat surface, and then use your phone, snap a picture of your passport, and then upload that there. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is the profile photo. So you're gonna have your phone, click on take photo, make sure you're facing the camera, everything is nice and clear, nothing is obstructing. And then you're gonna click take photo, and you're gonna upload that. And then it's also gonna ask you for your driver's license. Since if you're driving, if you're gonna be driving, it's obviously gonna ask you for your driving license. If you're gonna be biking or walking to deliver food, then it's not gonna ask you for that. So in this case, you upload your driving license. I believe it's gonna be front and back. And it's also gonna ask you for your driving record, right? So you can get that through your driving license licensing office. You can either give them a call, or if you have like an online portal where you have access to that, you can get that there. But yeah, once you get that, you upload your driving record. It usually takes about a day for them to like verify you and make sure that it's you. And then once you do that, once all your documents have been approved, you're gonna go through a background screening process where it's basically gonna prompt you to click on the link and follow those steps where they're gonna do like a background check. All right, guys. So I just received the email for the background check. So as you can see on the screen right now, you should receive an Uber that says Uber support, complete your background check. So you want to click on that one, okay? And then just so you guys know, you can only do this on your phone, right? So do not do this on a desktop, or else the link won't work. So make sure you're using your phone in order to complete this process. So once you open the email, you basically gonna click on that, click here, and then you're gonna open it. Okay, perfect. So then once it loads, you basically get to this page, and then you want to click on get started. All right. So you get here, and then step 1, you agree to this. So basically they're asking you to sign. So you're just gonna sign, click to next. Very straightforward. Okay, so you're gonna get to this page where they basically want you to validate your identity. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select 2 pieces of ID that you're gonna upload for the background check. I usually use my passport and driving license. All right, so I have finished here, and I'm pressing submit. And then yeah, then you're good to go, right? You get to that window. So it tells you thank you. So then yeah, you're good to go. So you're just waiting now for them to accept to process the background check. And then yeah, once this is done, you should have access to the app and start basically delivering. All right, guys. So my background check have been approved, and all my documents have been processed. So now I am inside the app, and I'm going to show you what the next step is. We've only got one last thing to do here at this point, which is to basically just add our banking information, and then you're pretty much good to go. So you basically want to click on this, and then you want to go to wallet, and this is where you're going to add your banking information. You click on add bank account, and then you go next, and you add all of that stuff. Okay. And then from there, you're pretty much good to go. You have this go button, which allows you to start delivering as soon as you go online. So right now you're offline, but as soon as you go online by clicking on this, you're going to start getting deliveries, right? So I'm going to turn it off because I'm not going to be working, but you get it, right? So that's basically how it is. So it's as simple as that. So you're basically good to go. You're all set. You guys can now start going out there and then start delivering. And yeah, so if you guys have any comments, just let me know in the video. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, where I'm going to show you how to create your DoorDash account, which is the next step.